After watching this course, you will be able to write your own Lua programs and solve different logical problems. This is a start-to-end Lua course, which will make you an excellent Lua developer. All the videos of this course will be uploaded free of cost to my channel, Hacker's House, and will be added to a playlist. So save the playlist right now and join with me on this journey. I have divided this course into different chapters, and you will see practical of all concepts. I will write a demo code to show you. And the best thing is you can download all the demo code and take a reference. So, let's start this course with a short introduction of Lua scripting language. Lua is a lightweight scripting language which is written in C. Lua code gets compiled into bytecode, which will run on Lua virtual machine. But don't worry about it, because it will happen in background, and you won't even know about it. In fact, Lua is very simple. Due to this reason, even non-programmers can write some Lua script. Lua is mostly used to automate the tasks that a human had to do. Many games and software offers Lua scripting. You may have heard of popular game Roblox, which offers Lua scripting. Popular software like Wireshark and Cheat Engine offers Lua scripting. I will provide some link in description, which will give you a list of popular apps and games that offers Lua scripting. Before writing some Lua code, we have to set up an environment to run Lua. And I will provide you 3 alternatives of setting up Lua. The first is run Lua without downloading anything. The second is run Lua in your mobile phone. And the third is set up Lua properly in your PC. I have created 3 separate videos for these 3 setup methods. You can find links of these videos in the description. You can choose any method you like, but I will go with the third method. Please go to the description and set up Lua for our practical sessions. We will learn about variable in the next video. Thanks for watching.